Hello, welcome back to Phat Monkey 404. Today we are building one of two builds in this 2-in-1 set. It's the rescue helicopter from the Technic theme. This set comes with movable rotors and blades and the movable rescue hoist. It's set number 42092 and was released in 2019 and is now retired. Set has 325 pieces over a couple of bags. Let's get cracking. And that's a wrap. Yeah, it's a pretty good build. And I said for 25 quid this was when this was released. I don't know whether you can still get it elsewhere other than Lego, I don't know. But no, it's a cracking little set. Spin the wheel on the bottom and the rotor flies round and the tail rotor goes as well. Like I said, you've got a proper little hoist that goes up and down on the other side as well. As I said, it's, for £25 it's quite a complicated little build for what you get. There is a separate video will be released for the second one, which is a concept plane. But yeah, I'm quite impressed with this one, I must admit. Nice little build, really enjoyed it. But that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed it. Till next time, adios.